In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy VOO on Moomoo. If you're looking to invest in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF and are using the Moomoo app, you're in the right place. This straightforward guide will take you through each step to make your purchase a breeze. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your mobile device and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and set up your profile before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the app's main dashboard, ready to start your journey into investing. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen and tap the search icon. This is your gateway to finding any stock or ETF you're interested in. After tapping the icon, you'll see the search bar appear. In this bar, type in the letters VOO. This represents the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is a popular choice for many investors looking to diversify with an index fund. Once you've typed in VOO, a list of search results will pop up. From this list, you'll need to select Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. This ensures you're choosing the correct fund, so take a moment to verify you've selected the right one. With the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF details now in front of you, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on Trade. This option will lead you to the trading interface where you can initiate your purchase. You'll want to ensure you're comfortable with this interface as it's where you'll manage your trades. Now, it's time to select Buy. This is the action that sets the wheels in motion for your investment in VOO. Once you tap Buy, you'll be prompted to enter your order details. This includes specifying the quantity of VOO shares you wish to purchase and choosing your order type, whether it's a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy. After entering all your details, take a moment to review your order. This is a critical step as it gives you the opportunity to confirm that everything is in order before finalizing your purchase. Double-check the quantity and the order type to ensure they align with your investment plan. Once you're satisfied with all the details, tap Buy to submit your order. And just like that, you've placed your VOO ETF order on Moomoo. It's as simple as following these steps, and you're now on your way to being an investor in one of the most widely followed ETFs on the market. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on using Moomoo and other investment platforms. Happy investing!